Today, we're diving into the most satisfying cleaning hacks that will transform your home into a stress-free sanctuary. Just like when we tidy up our belongings, a clean and organized home can bring so much joy. It's not just about the act of cleaning, but the feeling of peace and serenity it brings to our lives. So let's begin our journey to create a home that truly sparks joy. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Let's start with the living room, the heart of our homes. Remember, tidying is about choosing what brings us joy. Hold each item in your hands, a book, a throw pillow, a decorative piece. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Do I love this? If it does, find it a designated space where it can shine. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. This method, my dear friends, is about surrounding yourself with things that uplift your spirit and create a positive atmosphere. As you declutter, visualize the living room of your dreams. A space filled with light, where every item tells a story and brings a smile to your face. Remember, tidying is not just about decluttering, but about cultivating a deep appreciation for the things that bring us joy. Next, let's step into the kitchen, the heart of nourishment. Today, we're focusing on a simple yet powerful hack for a sparkling clean sink. Sprinkle baking soda generously, covering the entire surface. Then, add vinegar. Watch as it fizzes and bubbles, lifting away dirt and grime. This magical combination, my friends, is not only effective but also environmentally friendly. As the fizzing subsides, take a moment to appreciate the clean, fresh scent. Now, scrub gently, feeling the grime release its hold, rinse thoroughly, and witness the transformation, a gleaming sink that reflects the light. Remember, a clean sink is an invitation for joy in the kitchen. It's a small act of self-care that can uplift your spirits as you prepare meals and gather with loved ones. Embrace the simplicity of this hack and let it inspire you to find joy in the everyday tasks. Now let's move on to the bathroom, a space for rejuvenation and self-care. Our focus today is on achieving a streak-free, sparkling mirror that reflects our inner light. In a spray bottle, combine the cleansing power of water with the clarifying essence of white vinegar. Shake gently, feeling the energy of these elements merge. Mist your mirror generously, visualizing the vinegar dissolving any smudges or watermarks. Then, with a soft microfiber cloth, wipe in gentle circular motions. As you witness the streaks disappear, take a moment to appreciate the clarity before you. A clean mirror, much like a clean home, allows us to see ourselves and our surroundings with fresh eyes. Embrace this simple hack and let it inspire you to create a bathroom that truly reflects your inner peace. Let's step into the bedroom now, a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Today we'll discover the joy of an organized closet. Start by taking a moment to appreciate your clothes. Each piece represents a choice you made, a reflection of your personal style. Now choose a category: shirts, trousers, dresses, and hold each item. Does it spark joy? Does it make you feel confident and ready to take on the day? If so, find it a place of honor on a matching hanger. Organize by type and then by color, creating a visual rainbow that delights the eye. Imagine opening your closet each morning and feeling a sense of calm and order. Remember, a well-organized closet can bring a sense of peace and control, not just to our belongings, but to our minds as well. Finally, let's talk about maintaining this newfound sense of calm and order in our homes. Just like we nourish our bodies with daily meals, our homes thrive on a little daily care. Set aside just 15 minutes each day. Choose a room, set a timer, and dedicate this time to tidying up. Put things back in their designated spaces, wipe down surfaces, and let go of any clutter that accumulated throughout the day. These small acts of daily maintenance prevent overwhelm and keep our homes feeling light and airy. Remember, tidying is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey of creating a home that sparks joy. Embrace these daily moments of care and witness how they transform your space and your well-being. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating a stress-free home. Remember, a tidy home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that brings you peace, joy, and a sense of being truly at home. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.